In today's video, I'm going to teach you wrapping text in Google Sheets. If you've ever had a long sentence spill across multiple cells or get cut off, text wrapping is the simple fix that makes everything easy to read without changing your data. Wrapping automatically breaks long content onto new lines inside the same cell and adjusts the row height so all of the text is visible. Start by selecting the cell or the range of cells that contain the text you want to wrap. You can click a single cell, drag across a group of cells, or select an entire row or column if you want to apply wrapping broadly. Taking a moment to select exactly what you need will make the change apply only where you intend. With your cells selected, go to the top menu and choose Format, then Wrapping, and then Wrap. As soon as you click Wrap, Sheets applies the setting and you'll see your text neatly stack onto multiple lines within each cell. This is great for headers, comments, or any cell with longer notes. There's also a quick toolbar option if you prefer using icons. Look for the text wrapping icon in the toolbar. It looks like stacked lines with a curved arrow. Click it and choose Wrap, which is the middle option. This does the same thing as the menu path and is handy when you're working quickly. After you apply wrapping, the row height expands automatically so every line of text is visible. You don't need to manually drag the row borders to make space. Your column width stays the same, so your layout remains intact, but the content becomes readable. If you later adjust the column width, the wrapped text will reflow to fit the new width, which keeps everything tidy as your sheet evolves. If you still see text being cut off, double check that the cells are actually set to wrap and not to clip or overflow. Also keep in mind that merged cells or heavily formatted cells can behave a little differently, so give them a quick look after applying the setting. Wrapping applies to whatever you've selected, and it will remain in place for new text you type into those cells, saving you time as you continue working. That's all you need to make long content fit cleanly within your cells. With a couple of clicks, your sheet becomes easier to scan, print, and share. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.